we all in?
Lana, you ready for today? Jackson?
Hey, what are the teams?
Olivia, you ready? You looking good. Yeah. Okay.
Which side are you guys
Nick, what are you doing here?
Me.
Nick, what side are you
Well, I'm trying to figure out how to get the names.
Yeah, let's do that. Now, first of all, which side are you guys on?
We're on this side.
You're on this side? Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
You're going to use R for Roberto?
Yep.
Roberto.
You're using
we got a Richard and a Robert.
Oh, you have to use this one.
Toe.
This is good.
Montal.
Robert, Richard, Nick, and Livia. Team A over here.
Okay.
Team B, Jack, John, Eric, and Alana.
Right. Okay.
Right down the middle, girl.
Come on, baby, stay up. Double bounce, it might work. Go, Daddy! Come on, Nick. That's right in my push. Look at this. Look at it go.
You're up.
Spirit of strike.
You enjoying this, Nick?
Yes, I am.
All right.
How are you enjoying your strikes?
Oh, loving it, man.
I know.
Get another shot.
Eric's up, right? Yep.
Okay, Eric, how's it going?
Good.
Are they going down?
This shot is important.
That's important.
What are you doing?
Hit it good.
Counts, Eric.
What counts?
Strike going there. Come on. Oh, look at Whitney.
Robert, you're up.
Okay.
I'm going to get the spare.
Okay. What's the plan here, Eric?
So it's open right here.
Okay, hoping. Oh, sorry I got so close on that one. Pressure's tough.
Livia, you get to go again. Liv, try it between the legs. Try this shot, Liv. Liv. She needs power. I know, she needs two hands. Good. Straight down the line.
Yeah, man.
Nick, what do you think of these guys? Are they pretty good or what?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Pretty good.
All right, all right.
You're up. You know, it's your turn right now.
My turn? Richard, are you fading here?
Yeah, the alcohol effect is taking.
I know, right?
But that was on the money there.
You're at the controls of the Starship Enterprise?
Lieutenant, fire when ready.
I think I suck up a little.
Come on, Jack. You can do it. This is it.
Here we are. It's a close battle here. Two teams. Here goes Alana. Oh, same hole. It's amazing. It's just like deja vu.
Dad, Do you think this is fun or do you not like it?
I love it.
Jump up on it. Oh, big one, Nick.
You gotta have this one.
That's going for it.
No, sir. 254.
They got
I think we
391.
You
beat you.
got 350.
They won.
391.
Okay, let's press enter. Ready?
Try the same teams. Here for
Same
you.
teams.
Wow, that's it.